Hi everybody, are you ready to listen to the second story? Based on the feedback I've been getting, you all really love Elephant and Piggy. So I've got another Elephant and Piggy book this week. And this one is Are You Ready to Play Outside? And this book is by Mo Willems. Are you ready to play outside? Piggy! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes! We are going to do everything today. We are going to run. We are going to skip. And we are going to jump. Are these things you like to do outside? Do you like to run and skip and jump? Nothing can stop us. Oh no. It is starting to rain. We've had a lot of rain this spring, haven't we? It's raining. It's pouring. It's really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my whole life. I don't like rain. I am not a happy pig. Wait a second. Thank you, Gerald. What did Gerald do for him? He used his ear like an umbrella. That was a nice friend. But it is still raining. Remember, he doesn't like that rain. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? How can you play outside in the rain? And these two little worms are saying, rain, yay! Splash, splish, splash, splash, splash. Look, they're playing in the rain. And Piggy and Elephant are going, They're having fun. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try. Splash! Jumping in puddles is the absolute best, isn't it? This is great. Let's play in the rain. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Uh-oh. What's happening now? Looks like the sun's coming out. And the rain's going away. Rats. Now I like rain. And now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Don't worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain? And look at how happy he is because they got to run and jump and skip and splash in the rain. That's a pretty happy pig. Look at that smile. Elephants make the absolute best friends. What is Elephant doing? Look, he's splashing his friend. The end. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the two books that we read today. As I said in our last story, if you've got pictures of you playing outside or maybe your gardens, send them to our Instagram page. We would love to see them. I definitely miss seeing you every day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. But in the meantime, have a great weekend, and next week we're going to read stories about being kind. I'll see you then.